Namaskaras. The Surya Namaskara turns the entire body, helps with weight loss and strengthens muscles and joints. Prardhana Mudra. Hastottasanam. Padahastasanam. Ashwasanchalasanam. Dandasanam. Ashtanga Pranamam. Bhujangasana. Parvatasanam. Ashwasanchalasanam. Padahastasanam. Hastasanam. Prardhana Mudra. Now basic yogasanas. Dandasanam. It is the asana done to relax your muscles after doing postures of yoga. Although it is simple, it strengthens muscles deep within lower back, abdomen and inside pelvis. Siddhasana. It improves your posture, lengthen your spines and open your shoulders and chest. It is an ideal pose for meditation. Padmasana. It has numerous health benefits for mentality, physicality and spiritual energy. It increases flexibility, strengthens ankles and legs. Vajrasanam.
Harika of 9th class, come near the dice. Harika.
This asana helps keeping the mind calm and stable, cures digestive acidity and gas formation. It also relieves knee pain. Vrikshasana. It strengthens the legs, improves your neuromuscular coordination, helps with balance and endurance. Trikonasana. It increases stability. Trikonasana activates your core muscles, which aids in balance and stability. Virabhadrasana. This asana strengthens back muscles, hamstrings, biceps and triceps. It also helps to create stability in shoulder joints. Natarajasana. Strengthens your ankles, legs, thighs, chest, abdomen, thorax and back. It also improves flexibility. Garudasana. The standing eagle pose strengthens your calves, thighs and develops better concentration. Ustrasana. It stretches the entire front of body, the ankles, thighs. It also strengthens back muscles. Anjaneyasana. It releases tension in your hips, strengthens your knees and helps build mental focus. Savasana. The essential pose is crucial for calming the mind and body, reduces stress and develops immune system. Chakrasana. It offers a deep stretch for chest and shoulder muscles. It improves spinal flexibility. Halasana. It stretches your spine and turns your back muscles. It prevents and relieves tightness in body. Sarvangasana. It improves the functioning of reproductive organs in both men and women. It also cures diseases related to digestion. Dhanurasana. This asana stretches the foot and hand muscles and turns the leg and arm muscles and strengthens them. Padmamastyasana. It stimulates the Vishuddhi Chakra and therefore stimulates functioning of thyroid gland. Helpful for asthma, bronchitis and a round neck back. Virasana. It obstructs blood flow to our legs and thighs and increases it in our stomach area, thus improving our bowel movements and relieving constipation.
Right.